Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is an unboxing video, and it's already unboxed, but I did this a little bit earlier, a few minutes ago in fact, and when I undid the canvas, I showed 2 bags of drills, and I put one to the side, and I showed the drills off, and I'm like, why is there only one AB? There should be 2. I mean, three ABs. I only see 1. And I'm going on and showing the drills and everything. And I ended the video. And I turn around and I see the other one. So I'm like, oops. So I did another clip and I started doing that one. And I'm like, forget it. I'll do the whole thing over again. So here we are. And like preference. But I've had a sinus headache since I got up this morning, and I did take an Allegra D, and so it helps a little bit, but not totally. It's not as bad as it was this morning, but it's still there. So, I got my order from Diamond Art Club. It came in this huge box. Well, the box came in this box. Huge. And I'm like, wow, when I opened the door. So, this is the box, and it's Off to the Ball from Hannah Lynn, the artwork, and it is a 27.6 by 34.6 inches, which is 70 by 88 centimeters, and there is 55 colors, and 3 of them I believe are AB. I know one of them is. I saw one of them and when I first looked at the drills. So we open the box, you get your kit, which is your standard tool kit. You got your pen and your thing to go on the pen, the cushion. You got tweezers, your clear tray. Wish they were a little bit bigger. And then you got all these plastic bags, which come in handy. I might film me kitting this kit. Depends how I feel. And what I've done with the other 2 kits I got from Diamond Art Club last time, when I put them in the drills in the containers, if there's like a lot like this, I fill the container and then I put the extras and put them in the bags. But first I put the number of the drill on the bag with a Sharpie and then put the drills in the bag. That helps a lot. Of course, if there's like more than one of the color, you know, I just leave them in there till I leave them and let them be until I need them. Put them in the bags. And of course I got 2 waxes. Hope that I made sense. I think I did. I'm blaming my sinus headache. And then you got your index sticker of the artwork. And then you got the bigger one, sticker sheet that has the symbols for the canvas and the drill numbers that are for the symbols. And these I cut and put them on the containers. That helped a lot, but the last one, some of them came off the plastic. I think that's because I used those containers over and over again with mailing address stickers, the blanks that you can use on the printer. So I think after a while, I don't know. Anyway, Here are the drills. I'll show you the drills first and then the canvas because you can't really see the canvas now. Oh, hopefully you can see me. The last time I did the unboxing, I had the webcam on the opposite side where the windows were, or behind the windows, and I couldn't really see, so I moved it to the other side, and you really still can't see too well because I have windows behind the webcam and windows in front. So 798 8992 601, another 601, 619, no, 519, yeah, 519 on both of these, 699, yeah, another 699, 98, 996, they're easy to read, but reading it sideways is kind of hard, and on camera. 9814, or no, 3814, 796, 796, 602, 797. I wish these were in order instead of jumping around like this. 991, 3371, another 3371, 3837, 820. These are the 310s. A bunch of these, and then I have two that are on the floor, which are a 310 and 137. I believe it's an Air AB. Of course, it fell on the floor. 550, 890, 890. Um, 939, 888, 898. I'm sorry. 703, 782, 917, 754, 327, 208, 3865, 938, 938, 783, 954, 3811, 3811, 780, 957, 823, 3843, 3843, and the last batch, 19AB. Let's see what I use this. 165, 894, 740, 128, and this is AB. Not the best lighting, so you can't really see. Hopefully, I'll do this tonight, and this will be on the table, my webcam and tripod. So hopefully, it will be much better for you guys to see the drills. 743, 606, 906, oh 905, excuse me. 775, 498 3855 391 124. These are also an AB. 907 915 933 203 413 799 789. Sometimes the 8 and the 9 are kind of hard. Like I said, I'm reading these sideways. So 3609 and 956. Like I said, there's 2 more packages on the floor right by the tripod, and one's a 310 and one's a, I think, a 137, and that's an AB. And when I kit tonight, or when I do that video, it will be much, hopefully, better lighting, and you can see them much better. So those are the drills, and take these off and show you the canvas. This is not my best unboxing video. I apologize. So this is the canvas. Like I said, it's a 27.6 by 34.6 square drill. And so it's huge. It's bigger than the table that it's on. And I think it's one of the bigger ones that I've done. I don't remember off the top of my head the other canvases that are big like this. I think there's like 2 that I did with Victoria's Moon that were pretty big, and I think I got one from AliExpress that was 60 by 60 containers. So yeah. So I don't know if I'm going to be working on this on camera like I did with Alice in a Bottle, or do it taking my time like I did with Melody, because that one, taking my time, because I didn't work on it 7 days a week. I did, took a day or two of not working on it, and that took me practically all of February to do, so that was kind of nice. So I just finished that one the other day, I think last Friday, so this came in a perfect time. So that's my little haul. I really like this. I have other ones by Hannah Lynn that Diamond Art Club has on their site on my wish list, and so I have my pick of hers on my wish list that were available. Of course, I have others that are on my wish list too, and I'll post a link to this canvas in the description below. I'll also post a referral link in the description below where you can save 15% off your order. So yeah, that's it for right now, and thanks for watching.